You heard about live escape rooms before but don't know exactly what they are? Then you're at exactly the right place to find out. Hello and welcome, my name is David and this is Life Escape Guide. This week we'll talk about the most basic question, and that is, what are live escape rooms? The concept comes from computer games, or more specifically from point-and-click adventures where you were trapped in a room and had to solve puzzles and find clues to get a way out of the room. Then, around the year 2007 in Japan, people at first had the idea to build real-life escape rooms, or how they're called today, live escape games. The concept is quite simple. You and a few friends are put into a closed room with an objective. That objective is mostly to get out of the room again. Usually you have 60 minutes to do so. There are no specific rules for escape rooms normally. You are inside that room and have to think your way out of it. Most of the time those rooms feel very lifelike and you have to look at every object to find clues how to get out. A typical example would be you got a desk in the room with a closed drawer. Somewhere else in the room you find a key that fits into the desk and you can open the drawer, which gives you the next clue to continue. In that style you play through the room. If you get out of the room before those 60 minutes, then you can have a good feeling and know you did it with your logical abilities. If you don't get it out in those 60 minutes, then the game master will take you out of the room before you see the ending. That can sometimes be a little frustrating, but that's part of the game, because if you would always make it, it would be no challenge. And that is the next important part. You are never left alone in the room. There are cameras in every room you play and microphones, and the game master is watching you all the time. Which sounds creepy at first, but that's a big help, because that ensures that there is no danger for you if anything goes wrong. They can take you out anytime. And the second thing is, if you get stuck at a puzzle, you can ask for clues, or the game master himself decides that he wants to give you clues. And that can help you get out in those 60 minutes if you get stuck somewhere. Classic escape rooms have the objective to get out of the room, to escape, like the name itself says. But there are other objectives that arose over the years. For example, sometimes you can play a SWAT team that has to find a bomb and defuse it in under 60 minutes. So the scenarios and stories differ a lot from room to room. One important thing to notice: once you play the room, you cannot play it again, because you know how the room looks, you know the solves to the puzzles, so every escape room is a one-time experience. And that is what makes escape rooms so compelling, that it is an experience. In the best case, it feels like a movie that you were part of yourself, and you can escape your daily life for 1 hour. So, I hope I got you interested in escape rooms. If some of you, after this video, started to play escape rooms, feel free to write it down in the comments. I would be very interested in hearing so. If you want to see more videos about escape rooms or reviews that help you decide on which rooms to play, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to miss none of my videos, you can press the bell icon down below. And if you want to watch videos right now, then you can click right here on my right. See you next week!